The Democracy and Boundary Commission Cymru has established the Electoral Management Board for Wales. The board is made up of 2 members of the DBCC Commission and 5 returning officers from across Wales. The EMB will oversee the coordination and administration of devolved elections, collaborate with returning officers and electoral administrators, and advise Welsh Ministers on issues relating to the democratic health of Wales. The 2026 Senedd election is the initial focus of the board's work, with 16 new Senedd constituencies, more members of the Senedd, and changes to the voting system coming at this election. The EMB will work with the elections community to make sure these new arrangements are well understood, that election arrangements are accessible, and that returning officers and their wider elections teams are well supported to deliver a safe, secure, and successful election. The board is also working towards the creation of an elections information platform, giving Welsh voters access to all the information they need about devolved elections taking place, how they can get involved, and who their candidates are, in one easy-to-use website. In the future, the board will also examine options to further modernise electoral arrangements and strengthen Wales's democratic health. You can keep up to date with the Electoral Management Board's work at dbcc.gov.wales.